Hi guys, my Melody here. Today we are gonna talk about why the cure presious crying sound effect triggers me. 1. It's overused. 2. Kodak core community uses this crying sound effects. 3. It's every triggering and annoying. 4. I prefer heart's been crying sound effects than cure precious crying sound effects. 5. I prefer cure blossom and flora and cure mystique better than precious. Note, I still like cure precious but not her crying sound effect. That's all for today's rant. This my melody out.